Although the broader crypto market has been dipping and Shiba Inu has been retracing along with it, very, very high correlation with it right now. Is this the right opportunity to buy Shiba Inu? Well, there is actually a market analyst that said that Shiba Inu is in fact at the correct buy zones. And what he was talking about is this is in anticipation of a spike to 4067. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. We don't know what's going to happen next. But this analyst specifically was talking about Shiba Inu being at the buy zone on the weekly chart. He said if the market crashes, it will go down. But if you bet on bull season, these levels, yellow lines are good for accumulation. So this is from Shib Night. So specifically what he was referring to was actually yesterday when Shib was at 4023. The other lines that are showing on here are 4022 and 401859. Now, the interesting thing is that right now BTC is going through a little bit of correction. Again, we're kind of in the sell right now. We're waiting for tomorrow along with everything else. And Shiba Inu is actually sitting right at about that 4022 spot. Now, I have had some people talking about, oh yeah, Shiba Inu dropping back into the teens. And I've seen people talk about it actually adding a zero back. And frankly, right now, Shiba Inu tends to stay so far away from these levels. Really, the only times that Shiba Inu, in fact, has breached this 4020 level has been on black swan events, market crashes, things like that. When we look back all the way back here at April 12th into April 13th, we had that big breach giving people huge opportunities to add to their bags before our spike. Huge drop again here on May 1st, along with the crypto market. And then again, subsequent rebound, big spike again. Now, what's great is on the charts again, we are seeing another huge DCA plus flash on the charts. Again, guys, on the daily, this does not happen this often. Again, if you guys are not using my indicator, check it out. The link's in the description below. It makes adding to your position, especially at good spots, very, very easy. A lot of these have tended to happen before assets have gone on spikes historically. Speaking about Shib specifically, I typically use the shorter term time frame. I use like a 4 hour on there. Sometimes I'll use the 1 hour. It just kind of depends. But right now, it's all about just building our positions before things really get going again, before things really do in fact take off. Now, when that's going to happen is really anybody's guess. You know, I've talked about in some other videos today and yesterday when we might see the market take off, what we're kind of waiting for over the next 24 hours here, and when, you know, we may in fact see our bit of bounce. Okay. We're now in a period of time where assets are gaining a little ground versus BTC. BTC is losing a little bit of that market dominance, which is kind of the indication of alt season beginning. It doesn't mean that you go on this rip roaring run immediately. It still takes time to build into. You still have periods where, frankly, the market looks like shit. And that's kind of what we're at right now. But I want to remind people of something. The best time to buy is on red days. If you're buying on green days, you're typically chasing stuff and you haven't been buying the bottom. Right? Now, I'm not saying this is the bottom or anything like that. Could Shib dip lower? Sure, right? Our big support is really down here at the 4020. We're sitting on top of support right now. So, excuse me. So I'd love to see a bounce here, but really it's just going to be following what the rest of the market does. I wish I had this. Yeah, I have this pulled up here. You can see the third best match here in terms of Shiba Inu as far as the charts go is Bitcoin. Very high correlation with BTC right now. It's following what the rest of the market is doing. So that's just what we're waiting for. That's what we're watching for. I want to know, are you guys accumulating right now? Are you waiting, or are your bags set and ready to go for this explosive bull market we have to come? So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.